Situational leadership is used in consulting because it's an approach that's easily conceptualized and applied. The straightforward nature of situational leadership makes it practical for managers to use. The principles of this approach can be applied at many different levels of an organization. Because situational leadership stresses adapting to followers, it's ideal for use with followers whose commitment and competence change over the course of a project. It's an encompassing model with a wide range of applications.